What's up, YouTubers? Alright, so I got these Hondas. The guy just gave me this one because he can't get it into drive. It's the Quadro Cut System Harmony 2 216, okay? So somebody gave me one of these a while back, a few years ago. I just had it sitting out back. And it's got a busted deck. Okay, so over here, this here cable for the clutch broke. See that little hole? That broke. So you can't put it in gear. None of the gears will work. It starts and runs great, you know. I had the bag, so I threw the bag on there as well. So here's the nightmare, guys. Here's the nightmare. I already took this one out. I loosened this thing. I cut some ties. 3 or 4 ties. Here's the other end. I don't think it's going to fit through the hole. It's got to come out this way, you know. Here's what I had to do. Pull that plate off. I took 2 plates off. Alright. Yeah, there was a plate going up here. I took that plate off. There was a plate in front. I took that plate off as well. I didn't have to take the front off or nothing. This is the back by the axle. Let me show you what's going on. I also removed, sorry for any shakiness, guys. I don't have a tripod right now. I'm just having my mini tripod. I removed the belt. Now some of these don't have belts on the new ones. They just have a clutch. Centrifugal clutch. So here's my cable up here. And that right spot up there. That thing's coming through. Here's the other cable. This is where you have to go. Now if you can see up here, there's a little knob. You're going to have to get that forward. You're going to have to stick. I used a bent screwdriver to get in here. Lift up the cable. Then I got something bigger in here. Then I went over to this side. And I lifted it up and pulled it off this metal thing. There's a metal knob right here. You see this? And there's a hook underneath there. There's a hook. Because when you see this, you're going to realize. Okay, see this? This hook's on there. Okay? So it just pops off. But I'm having such a hard time getting this here off. And it's just crazy, man. There's 2 clips that hold this sucker in. And so I come over here, I get the 1 clip, right? Then I come under here. I come underneath. Up in here. Where the heck is it? Come up underneath here. And there's supposed to be another clip. Oh yeah, I see them now, guys. I see those little guys. And the trick is to... Wow, you really need something to get in here. A screwdriver, short screwdriver or something. To get those little things bent in. Let me get back up there. See that? There's 2 little things that has to be pushed in. Okay, there's one. There's the other one, you see? These have to be pushed in. Okay, so that's what we got to work on. And try to get this thing out of there. Because it is really Really hard to do. And when you can't see, you know, you don't have no light, you know, it's really hard. And somehow you gotta do both sides. So it's not just one, it's two. And the end is all the way up. You know, you have to go all the way up here, up against this plastic on the inside over here, and push with something. Yank that side out and then go underneath and get the other side. So that's what I'm going to try to do, guys. See what happens. I don't know. You know, I'll try something. Okay, guys, here's an old screwdriver I had from, I don't know, for a while. I think this is a brass screwdriver, I don't know. But years ago I bent this, you know, to try to get these things out that you just couldn't get a regular screwdriver in. Okay, so this is what I used. I put this under like this. I lifted up that cable, and I was able to get on the other side and lift this up and pop it off of the thing there. I mean, you know, the guys have videos showing all this, you know, but when I get this sucker out, see that little thing here? That actually goes onto here. And there's a little indentation just underneath there where that thing holds into. So I just want to give you a few tips like that to help you. I went in with the screwdriver here. I went in this way with this here like this. And I was able to get it, and I popped it off the little lever, and there it sits now. Now I gotta try to get this sucker out, and I need two hands. There's gotta be a way to I don't know if it'll only go one way. I mean, if you could squeeze it from the outside, it would be good, but I just don't know. There's no way you could do it. No way you could do it. Okay, guys, I had to get a spotlight here so I can see. That really helps. That's a good tip. Get yourself a spotlight set up where you can see in here, in this crevice. Okay, you need to be able to see it in this crevice here, right up in there. Okay, now the top, you gotta get your finger in all the way back here. Okay, because that's where it's gonna go, back here. And I'll show you over here. Where is it? That should be it right there. That's where you gotta get it out. Let's take a look at the cord. And it's because I used a short screwdriver. I pushed. I mean, this is how small this is, okay? You might be able to use something a little bit bigger because I needed to see the light. So I went with something small. Okay? So here's the part I was talking about. It's pretty good shape. Now you see these little clips? Plastic clips? You gotta push one in. And then pull it down like this. And while that's pulled down, you gotta twist this thing around, keeping that one side pulled out. Then push this one in and pull. That's how you're gonna get it out, guys. You have to give the old twistaroo there while keeping pressure. Like say this one is almost out. You gotta keep pressure like this and twist till you get to that side. Then push that one in where you can see it with the light. Push and pull at the same time. It's gonna pop right out. Wow, pretty cool, guys. Look at that. I don't know. I tried Allen wrenches here. You know, I tried a bunch of different things. So I got the old light out LED. Powerful LED light, connected it to the extension cord. I was able to see what I was doing. Also, guys, you want to wear some safety glasses. When you get these at Home Depot, I don't know if Walmart sells them, but you get them online. Because you're gonna have dirt that's gonna fall down in your face. I already had a piece of dirt in my eye, so I'm like, oh, I need my safety glasses on. And while I'm taking it out of here, you can see this is rotted. That's rotted. Okay, and it's the cord that goes in this hole. Oh, there you go, guys. Okay, so you know this here will go in that hole like that, and this cable, let me see, you guys see that right there, the spring, and this cable is going to come all the way down and put in this hole. But first I'm going to feed this line through before I make any connection down here. All right. Thank you, Yeshua, for his knowledge that to be able to get this out, I was able to do it. Without his help, forget it. That's the part I need, guys. Okay, this is spare Honda. Like I said, it's got holes in here. It's not safe anymore. Yeah, I could probably put a weld patch in here, but for what? For what? To try to sell it? What am I gonna get for it? You know, it's damaged. This one here runs. See if I can do this. I don't know. Go nowhere, see? Don't go nowhere. Second, third. So this should actually stay up there at first, I think. Don't go nowhere because this is broke, okay? There's nothing here no more. It's all busted. That's why I'm pulling this one out to get put in place. I'm gonna take that cable out, put this in place. So this here was a busted clutch cable that went to the gearbox to steer or drive. All right, that's what that was. Now this one is the good one. Okay, guys, see this cable right there? Oh, whoa. Right there, replace. It's done. Got the new cable in. Let's give this thing a crank. See if it's gonna move. and it's already making me some money.